gonna be a good day. Wake up.
It's already on. How about that?
Sweet.
Oh, let's get away from the sun.
No,
Let's go like
trying to
this.
go to the
Whoa.
sun.
Jeez, that sun's a killer. Hey everyone, I am Bob.
I'm Carrie.
And this is 25 Plus Life. And today, Carrie, this is the day that we've been waiting for.
Yeah.
This is the day that we've been talking about. This is the day that we have been preparing for
Yeah.
the past few months.
Yeah.
Today is the day that we close on the house. As you can see, house. But we're in the RV. In fact, we've been in the RV in this very driveway
For 3 nights.
for 3 nights, getting ready to go. The house is all empty. If you want to know, if you're the curious type and want to see what the house looks like empty, you can check out last week's video. So we just did a tour for the kids, just in case you want to see it. So now we have to head to West Ford, Mass.
Yeah.
We have to drive an hour and a half for the closing because this is our life. And why wouldn't you have to drive an hour and a half away to do your closing? So we're going to go there. Fingers crossed everything goes smooth. Everything to this point has been very well done.
Yeah.
You know, it could have been done in 24 hours. I would have been happier, but that's okay. We've taken about 45 days from the date of sale, roughly. So we're in good shape. So the next time you see us checking back in is going to be at the closing place. And yeah, so we'll see you in a few minutes. Well, that was the fastest thing we've done in home ownership. So we were in and out,
Yeah.
40-ish minutes.
Well, that's because we kept talking.
Because we kept talking to the new owners, who are fantastic people, and it looked like they're going to have a great time in that house and keep up with the tradition that we have with our family. It's always nice to see that, because really up until this point we didn't have any interaction with them, so it was nice. So as you can see here, the Winnie is loaded. We are outside the law office here, and we are officially homeless. So, or unhomed if you prefer that. So next is we have a 14-hour drive to South Carolina. And then from there, we're going to take a little bit of downtime at Ocean Lakes RV Resort, which I think is pretty good.
Yeah.
So stick around. We're going to probably stop. We might stop at Mohegan Sun, because that's a great little area to take a rest. But we'll definitely check in before we hit our final destination.
Yeah.
Hey, high five for being homeless.
Woohoo!
Woohoo! Well, here we are, Carrie.
Yes.
We are at Mohegan Sun Pocono Down in Pennsylvania. So a little after 5:30. The wind here, higher elevation, boys, it got cold.
Chilly.
It went from 70 degrees, 74 degrees in Massachusetts to it's about 50 here, and it's getting cooler. One of the things we wanted to point out, because we've done this before, we stayed here, is they allow RV parking in Lot E. And let me tell you, you can have the tractor trailers over there, but you can see around the parking lot there's a travel trailer there, and there's also a Class A up there. We always highly recommend you check in with security just to let them know you're going to be here overnight. But it's very quiet, very peaceful, and it's free. You know, there's no hookups, but it's free, so it's great. So we're not going to stay here overnight because we prefer a special spot along I-95 in North Carolina. Trying to get a little closer to South Carolina tonight, but we are going to go inside with our trusty $20 bill to go inside as just kind of our annual tradition whenever we pass by here. So with that, our next stop to see you will be tomorrow morning alongside I-95 somewhere. All right, and we are back. It is now morning. You can tell by that bright light coming from outside the RV. And again, this is shorter than normal video as we kind of get our bearings and we take in.
Oops, sorry.
Oh, you got a really extreme close-up of me. As we get our bearings in and kind of digest everything that's gone on and transpired in the past couple of days, really.
Yeah. Mostly
The last 24 hours, which, yeah, halfway through we did get a surprise that our wire transfer went through.
Good morning.
Good morning
Where
to you.
are we?
Well, Carrie.
Okay. And so now this isn't the Winnie. What's happening?
Well, funny you should ask, and we're going to clear that up right
I'm
now.
confused.
The past week since we last checked in has been pure chaos. We're talking tornadoes, we're talking a new RV, we're talking a shakedown week at Ocean Lakes. So we wanted to pop in and just say, we're alive and we made it.
It still feels like a dream, though.
But we are in Myrtle Beach right now. We are currently at the Coastal Grand Mall, where we're taking a break in between RV resorts. We purchased our new RV, which we will we'll kind of hold that off. I dropped a couple of hints in the last 30 seconds as to what we ended up picking up. But we're going to go over that probably in the next video. Just because we want to get our bearings straight and everything else. And oh, I forgot to do this because somebody said I should do more than talk. So I danced for you guys.
Oh, yeah.
But on a serious note, we are alive, we are well. We ran into some battery issues with the GoPro, some corrupted files. So this video is going to be a lot shorter than what it is intended to be. But I want to say this real quick. Since the closing on our house a week ago, life has been going great. We have, with the new RV, we've picked up. I've been able to work. Everything's been going well. Life is good.
Life is good.
Actually, a lot better than we anticipated. So, but we'll stick around next week. We're going to give you a full tour and let you know what we got, how we have it set up, the problems that came across with the particular dealer that we went with. But I want to give them a couple of days more to try to resolve this. But we'll get all that back to you next week. So something unusual for 25 plus life, a cliffhanger. How about that? So we made it this far in the video. We thank you. Again, not a crazy great video, just more of a life update, and we'll check in with you guys next week. Ready?
Ready.
Let's do it.
Feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still